restart, and then comfortably lie down or sit down. You can now switch off your video if you like, and we can just start with the meditation. Follow my voice. Anytime you think you're drifting away, come back to my voice. It's important to stay with my voice because that will help you stay with the meditative frequency. In case there is any question before we start, please type it in. Otherwise, we are good to go. To everyone, keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath into the base of your tailbone and exhale very, very slowly from the mouth. Exhale at a slower pace than your inhalation. The audio will be in Hindi and in English. So first I will be speaking in English and then I will be speaking in Hindi. Continue breathing in and out. With every breath in, allow the cooling energies of the lunar light enter your body. And with every exhalation, allow any heaviness from any place in your body now start leaving you in the form of smooth wallpaper. Feel this breath move in and out. And this time, I want you to breathe into the spine. Breathe into your entire spine, all the way down. And exhale from the mouth. Very, very gently. श्वासों को रीढ़ की हड्डी में पूरी तरह से नीचे तक जाने दें और मुंह से श्वासों को बाहर करें। Feel the breath moving from the spine all the way down into your feet and down into the core of Mother Gaia, anchoring your breath in the core of Earth's center. अपने श्वासों को रीढ़ की हड्डी से अपने पांव के द्वारा धरती के बीचों बीच स्थापित करें और धरती से आती हुई ऊर्जा को अपने पांव से अपने पूरे शरीर में महसूस करें। Feel this beautiful energy from the core of Gaia coming into your body, the warm, tingling sensation moving throughout your body. Moving into your cells and moving at the top of your head. Feel yourself deeply anchored. And this time, feel your breath. Become aware of your breath. And for the next 1 minute, breathe into the head, to the roof of your head, and you will exhale from the mouth. श्वासों सर की में भर ले और मुंह से बाहर करें। अभी 1 मिनट तक ये प्रक्रिया करते रहें। Fill in the head, the crown, the roof of your head with your breath and exhale from the mouth. Allow any heaviness in the crown now melt out with the breath. सर में किसी प्रकार की हेवीनेस हो उसे श्वासों से बाहर करते हुए ये प्रक्रिया 1 मिनट तक जारी रखें बिना किसी ब्रेक। श्वासों गहरी श्वास सर में ले और मुंह से बाहर करें। 30 seconds more. Breathe into the head and out from the mouth. Feel the deep relaxation in the head space. Now normalize your breath. अपनी श्वासों को वापस से नॉर्मल कर ले। आंखें बंद रखते हुए महसूस करें पूरे शरीर से एक प्रकार की ऊर्जा निकल रही है और शरीर को हल्का हल्का करते हुए एक तरल जैसे महसूस करते हुए पूरी तरह से शरीर को ढीला छोड़ दें। The breath moving through your body and releasing any heaviness, and feel the body floating on waves. As if there is no body, completely light. And as this beautiful wave is now carrying you with it, soft and protected, comfortable and safe, engulfing you in this container of light, this lunar light, crystalline, sparkling container of light that surrounds you and is carrying you up into the space. इस तरल को अपने पूरे शरीर पर चमकती हुई रोशनी के माध्यम से समा लीजिए और इस रोशनी के गुब्बारे के अंदर धीरे धीरे हल्के हल्के ऊपर की ओर जाते हुए महसूस करेंगे। And as floating up, you start seeing this beautiful full moon that is glowing and beaming on you. पर चंद्रमा की पूरी रोशनी महसूस करें. Silver crystalline light of the moon is pouring from the roof of your head. Your crown chakra is now ready to receive this light and is opening up entirely. सहस्रारा चक्र जो सर के ऊपरी हिस्से में है वो पूरी तरह से खुल चुका है और ये दिव्य प्रकाश जो चंद्रमा से आ रहा है अब पूरी तरह से अपने शरीर में समाने के लिए तैयार है. सर से लेके पांव तक इस रोशनी को महसूस करेंगे. Crystalline light flowing into your body from head to toe, washing every cell in your body. शरीर के हर एक हिस्से से ये रोशनी सर से लेके पांव तक महसूस कीजिए. शरीर में कोई भी भारीपन हो किसी भी भाग में किसी भी जॉइंट्स में पूरी तरह से बह जाने दीजिए. सर से लेके पांव तक, पांव से धरती के बीचों बीच जाने दीजिए. लेट इट गो, लेट इट गो. वी डोंट नीड इट. And feel the body lighten up even further. I will now count from 10 to 1 and you will go even deeper in relaxation, allowing yourself to completely relax. 10. You are moving in a deeper relaxed state. Feel this wave of sleep light moving into your body and allowing you to relax. Nine. Your body is now allowing this beautiful crystalline energy flow from head to toe and deepening your relaxation even further. 8. Allow yourself to relax your forehead, soften your face, jaw, your shoulders. Just drop your shoulders down, relax the jaw, soften the tongue. 7. Allow your arms all the way down from the elbows to your forearms, your wrists, and fingertips to relax. 5. Allow your pelvic floor, your lower back to completely release any tension that it may be holding on. 4. Feel the chest, the neck, the throat completely relax. Let go of any heavy emotions that you may be holding. Just feel your body lighten up. You're becoming totally relaxed and heavier in your body. The relaxation is flowing your neck, your feet, and moving away all the tensions. Your face, your forehead, your body is relaxing. Your entire body relax on the count of 3. Feel that relaxing flow all the way down to your feet, your ankles, toes, the soles of your feet. Releasing any tensions there, dissolving any stress. Two, feel that wave of relaxation. Relaxing your knees. Let go of any heaviness, any stuck energy, any stiffness you've been carrying in the knees. Let it release now. Feel that relaxed energy move into your thighs, allowing you to release any tensions there. Your legs are perfectly relaxed and heavy now. This energy is moving into your abdomen, all your internal organs, flowing into your solar plexus, creating a deep sense of peace, letting go of any heaviness. Feel energy move into your chest. Your heartbeat is now calm and steady. Moving into your upper back and dissolving any stress. And now this wave on the count of 1 moves through the muscles of your face, from your forehead, peacefully flowing into your scalp. Feel yourself drifting deeper, drifting and floating deeper into a theta brainwave where extraordinary transformation becomes possible. Feel this crystalline lunar light from the strawberry moon, helping you release any heaviness. And through your own intention now, you're floating in a state of relaxation. Allow yourself in that state of relaxation. Feel this crystalline light now glowing brighter and brighter in every cell of your body. Feel the tingling of activation moving through your entire body. Your cells are awakening to this deep potential to accept the healing in abundance. Allow this light to reach every part of the body, and wherever the light touches, feel this tingling sensation as your cells begin to activate, and feel your entire body humming with energy. The sensation of expansion, a limitless expansion. Feel the tiny cells in your body glowing like millions of stars in the night sky. Feel your entire body pulsing with this golden light, sending waves of activation into your nervous system. शरीर में ये सुनहरी धारा को महसूस करें, हजारों सितारों की जैसे पूरे नर्वस सिस्टम में इस रोशनी को महसूस करें. Even if you're not feeling it now, it is going to happen now as I call upon your subconscious, your guide, the light you through you, and your higher self will assist to maneuver this light in the right way, what feels right for you now. You will start feeling the sensation and a deep release as we begin to activate, restructure. Take a deep breath in and allow the sensation to intensify. गहरी सांस शरीर में लेंगे, एक गहरी सेंसेशन महसूस करें. See these millions of cells pulsing, awakening. पूरे शरीर में महसूस करें इस ऊर्जा को, गर्माहट को. अगर शरीर के किसी हिस्से में दर्द है, आंखें नहीं खोलेंगे, लेकिन इस दर्द को शरीर से बाहर जाते हुए महसूस करेंगे. Have no judgment towards any pain in the body. Just observe it and allow it to leave like a wave in the ocean. इस tingling sensation को अपने पूरे शरीर में महसूस करते हुए अपने क्राउन चक्र में महसूस करें। Feel the warm buzzing in the crown, your entire head, your entire brain area, face. Every hole in the brain, every neuron is getting activated now, establishing new connections, creating new possibilities, allowing new connections to tap into your highest potential. Feel that sensation spread throughout your body, cell by cell, strand by strand. This light continues its journey through your throat as it comes down from the head. ये सुनहरी रोशनी ऊर्जा इस सहस्रारा से आपके थ्रोट चक्र में आ रही है। और पूरे थ्रोट एरिया को भर चुकी है। You begin to illuminate first with a gentle glow and then brighter and brighter. Feel the warm buzzing sensation in your throat as new potentials for communication and expressions are getting activated. बेहतर कम्युनिकेशन के लिए, बेहतर एक्सप्रेशन के लिए गले में गर्माहट इस रोशनी के द्वारा महसूस करेंगे। Feel the crystalline light reach your spine. पूरे स्पाइन में इस रोशनी को महसूस करें। Feel the connection from the spine into each cell of your body. Awakening each cell, responding to the new energy, new light on this full moon day. This activation comes down into your heart space. ये रोशनी आपके हृदय में प्रवेश कर रही है और पूरे शरीर को भर रही है। The heart is like a brilliant sphere of golden white radiance. एक सफेद सुनहरी रोशनी का गुब्बारा अपने हृदय की ओर महसूस करेंगे। As your heart begins to pulse, every cell is pulsing with this powerful frequency, awakening your capacity for higher love, for self-love, for universal connections. इस ऊर्जा को महसूस करें आपके हृदय से सभी चारों ओर फैलते हुए, spreading in all areas outwards. And now moving down into the solar plexus. आपके मणिपुर चक्र में इस ऊर्जा को महसूस करें। This light in the solar plexus is awakening your ancient powers of manifestation and creation, of confidence and self-acceptance. इस ऊर्जा को मणिपुर चक्र में चारों ओर महसूस करेंगे, बाहर की ओर जाते हुए। And now it's moving down into the sacral center. ये ऊर्जा अब स्वादिष्ठान की ओर प्रवेश कर रही है और सभी दिशाओं में फैल रही है। महसूस करें शरीर में एक गर्माहट। Feel the warmth, the regeneration, the vitality, awakening. Feel the stir in your body. Feel the vibration pulsing at a very increasing speed, emitting pulsing orange golden light. स्वादिष्ठान में ऑरेंज और गोल्डन लाइट महसूस करें। आपके शरीर को पूरी तरह से एनर्जाइज करते हुए। ये रोशनी आपके मूलाधार, feel a deep grounding process। आपके मूलाधारा में एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग वाइब्रेशन फील होगी। पावरफुल फ्रीक्वेंसीज आपको धरती के सुनहरे सेंटर्स जोड़ रही हैं। The root pulsing and very powerful frequency connecting you to the Earth's crystalline core. Feel yourself completely anchored. Completely anchored and stay connecting with the core. Connecting with the core.
Recording it.
Stay with the energy. Feel the waves of energy move through you. इस ऊर्जा के साथ थोड़ा समय बिताएं। पूरे शरीर में इस ऊर्जा को महसूस करें, इसकी गर्माहट महसूस करें।
Recording it.
Take a long, slow breath in as you inhale, and as you exhale, feel the colors now starting to reveal, shimmering rainbow hues. With every breath in and out, you will feel all the chakras activating, harmonizing, balancing. Feel a deep sense of relaxation pure light energy filling your entire body. पूरे शरीर में ऊर्जा को महसूस करते हुए सांस लें और बहुत धीरे से उसे बाहर करें। Now, become gently aware of your body in the physical form, but still stay connected with the higher consciousness. अपना ध्यान अपने शरीर पर केंद्रित करें और हायर कॉन्शियसनेस के साथ भी महसूस करें। Gently bringing your lighter energies back into your body. We will start by tingling, moving our toes, moving the tips of our fingers, पाँव की उंगलियों को और हाथों की को धीरे से मूव करेंगे। गहरी सांस लेते हुए सांस को बाहर करेंगे। अपना ध्यान अपने शरीर में और श्वासों की ओर केंद्रित करेंगे। Feel yourself completely anchored back into your body here and now. Gently rub your palms. Cup your eyes. And whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Switch on your videos. And come back into your body in the here and now. We will do a cord cutting before you leave the call. Yes. Quickly switch on your videos.